In this video, I'll guide you through how to disable Cloudflare in WordPress. Maybe you're troubleshooting an issue, switching to a different service, or just want to see how your site behaves without Cloudflare in front of it. Whatever the reason, I'll walk you through the exact steps you need to take and explain what's happening along the way so you know you're doing it safely. We're going to do this in two main parts. First, we'll pause Cloudflare from your Cloudflare account so it stops proxying and caching your site. Then, we'll remove the Cloudflare plugin from your WordPress dashboard. Follow along and feel free to pause at any point while you complete each step. Let's start in your Cloudflare account. Open your browser and log into your Cloudflare dashboard. Once you're in, you'll see a list of the websites or domains you've added to Cloudflare. Click on the domain where you want to disable Cloudflare. Make sure you pick the right one, especially if you manage multiple sites, because the changes you make will only affect the domain you select. After selecting your domain, you'll land on the overview page for that site. This is the main screen where Cloudflare summarizes your site's status and settings. On the right-hand side, you'll see a sidebar with various options and information. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of that right-hand sidebar. Near the bottom, you'll see an option labeled Pause Cloudflare on Site. Go ahead and click that. When you pause Cloudflare, it stops acting as a reverse proxy for your domain. In simple terms, traffic will start going directly to your web server instead of passing through Cloudflare's network. This can be very useful when you're debugging issues with DNS, SSL, or plugins because it removes Cloudflare from the equation. After you click to pause Cloudflare, you'll be asked to confirm your choice. Read the message carefully so you understand that this doesn't delete your domain from Cloudflare, it just pauses its protection and performance features. When you're ready, confirm the choice. Once confirmed, Cloudflare is effectively disabled for that domain from the Cloudflare side, and your visitors will be connecting directly to your hosting server. Next, let's clean things up inside WordPress by removing the Cloudflare plugin if you have it installed. Go to your WordPress dashboard by logging into the admin area of your site. In the left-hand menu, hover over Plugins, then click on Installed Plugins. This will show you a list of all the plugins currently installed on your site. Scroll through the list until you find the Cloudflare plugin. When you see it, look for the Deactivate link under the plugin's name. Click Deactivate. Deactivating the plugin stops it from running on your site, but it's still installed at this point. Once the plugin is deactivated, a delete link will appear for that same plugin. Click Delete to remove the Cloudflare plugin files from your WordPress installation. Confirm the deletion when prompted. Removing the plugin ensures there's no leftover integration trying to talk to Cloudflare after you've paused it on the account side. And that's it. You've now paused Cloudflare for your domain in the Cloudflare dashboard and removed the Cloudflare plugin from your WordPress site. If you ever want to turn Cloudflare back on, you can return to your Cloudflare dashboard and resume it and reinstall the plugin in WordPress if you need it again.